Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tip. Today we have a HIKVISION router and we are going to connect it to Wi-Fi. You can see we will make it a Wi-Fi repeater and it will help boost Wi-Fi signal. So stay with us and let's start. First, you will have to connect your router to your laptop. And now we are on the laptop screen. Make sure laptop is connected with router. And now we will open the laptop's browser. Now type the IP written on back of the router. 192.168.0.1. Now we have router settings in front of us. Here you can change all the settings which you want. Make a SSID and create a password. Mark on set Wi-Fi password to router login password. Select the dynamic IP. Now press the save button. Router will restart after this. Check and wait for the router to start. Now type the password which you created. As you can see, the laptop is connected to the router without internet. Open the router's IP again. Type the login password. Now all the settings are in front of you. Click on root settings. Select universal relay mode. Now you can see Wi-Fi networks which are near the router. Select the Wi-Fi network which you want to connect. And here type the Wi-Fi password. Press OK and router will reboot. Wait for the router to turn on. This will take some time. Check Wi-Fi and connect the laptop to Wi-Fi again. Now we will open YouTube to check internet. And you can see internet is connected and working. And here you can see laptop is connected with HIKVISION router.